London to another big news coming in as far as a British-Swedish multinational pharmaceutical company is concerned. We are speaking of AstraZeneca, which has for the first time admitted in UK court that its COVID-19 vaccine may lead to a rare side effect. In court documents, the company stated that its COVID vaccine can lead to a condition that results in blood clots and also low platelet count. The statement by the pharmaceutical giant comes as it is being sued for over 1,000 crore rupees in class action over claims that its vaccine caused death and serious injury in 51 cases. AstraZeneca's vaccine was manufactured in India by Pune-based Serum Institute of India and sold as Covishield in India. Now, sources tell Times Now that there is no case of rare side effects, that is TTS, was ever found in India, and admission of rare side effect in court is also not new, as the side effects of the vaccines were always in public domain. However, when Times Now reached out to the Serum Institute of India, the vaccine manufacturer refused to comment. That comment is to come yet, but AstraZeneca's admission has stirred a hornet's nest. Now, the Congress party has trained guns at the BJP and PM Modi, who had backed Covishield, asking why do they not clarify now, and the opposition has demanded an investigation in India as well.
कोविड के मामले में जब हम बात करते हैं तो एक चीज़ सामने आती है कि कोविड जब इंडिया के अंदर आया तो बीजेपी ने इसकी भी मार्केटिंग की। मार्केटिंग के बाद कोविड की मार्केटिंग की और वैक्सीन जब लगाना शुरू किया तो उस वक्त भी बहुत से लोगों ने कहा कि ये वैक्सीन जो है अभी ज़्यादा टेस्ट नहीं की गई है, इसको नहीं लगाना चाहिए। लेकिन इन्होंने फोर्सबली लोगों को वैक्सीन लगवाई और कई लोगों की जानें भी गई। अब अगर कोर्ट ने कॉग्निजेंस ली है और माना गया है कि इसमें ब्लड क्लॉटिंग होती है तो मैं समझता हूं कि थॉरोली इन्वेस्टिगेट होना चाहिए और इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद ये भी देखना चाहिए कि जिम्मेदार कौन है इस मौतों का जो वैक्सीन से हुई हैं।
All right, a big war of words escalating in India over that admission by AstraZeneca. We'll keep an eye on that story through the course of the day. As of now, slipping into a short commercial break.